Another important thing in layer manager is masking. It's very important and useful. For example, we have a logo here and we want to mask it, we cut it in this circle. So to doing that, we bring this TC logo on the top of the circle or bottom of it, it's not important. We want to cut this TC logo by this circle. So we want to this logo be a child of this circle. It actually we want to mask it. It means we want to be cut around of this logo by this circle. It's very simple. Just drag and drop. You can see drag and drop in this part, not here, this part, and release that. You can see it's very simple to mask it under that. And now if you select this group, you can move everything. If you select, you can see it's a group. If you select the logo inside, you can move the logo. You can see this logo is masking by that circle, and it's very useful and we use a lot in our project. And then you can go to the circle. The color of that circle is not important, but you can see the stroke of that. Going to a stroke, I think that changing the stroke here, nice. You can see the strokes. You can make it out of that and bring any stroke that you want. So with these simple things, we are masking. For example, I want to mask this logo in this. Find that, bringing to inside of each other. I want to mask or cut by this, drag and drop it in here. Boom. You can see you can create such these things with this feature.